what happens if you chew 1 clove of garlic every single day? Garlic contains a powerful compound called allicin, and it's incredible. Allicin is highly antimicrobial. It fights viruses, bacteria, and even fungi.
Here's the key. Chewing garlic actually activates more allicin than grinding, crushing, or cooking it. Once you chew it, your liver kicks in, detoxifying poisons and flushing out harmful pathogens, starting right from your mouth. It also boosts nitric oxide in your blood, helping lower your blood pressure naturally. Plus, it works as an antihistamine, clearing out sinus congestion and helping you breathe easier. But hey, if raw garlic feels too strong, try this instead. Go for fermented garlic, pickled garlic, or even garlic with lemon juice or olive oil. You can also snack on dehydrated garlic chips, gentler but still packed with benefits. So, if you love discovering food magic in just minutes, come join our Esculenta family. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.